Repair the doorbell. That's broken. You should have Vernon fix this door lock. Remove all the blinds. Replace that. If you want to leave those blinds, I guess leave them because they don't look, they're not broken or anything. Clean the ceiling. That doesn't look good. That looks like it's water damage. So when an inspector comes in, they're gonna wonder, hey, what's going on there? I think you should replace this with a range hood, a black range hood to match the stove. This property needs a lot of cleaning. Fix that drawer. This fridge stinks and is filthy. Whew. Fix this cabinet, it's loose. That just needs some hooks. Remove these blinds. Fix the ceiling. The whole ceiling is disgusting. But before fixing the ceiling, I think you should look into where the water is coming from. There's holes on the wall. I say cover the holes, but don't paint. I wouldn't say paint. I don't know if you want to just remove that and leave that without a dishwasher. I think you should replace the kitchen faucet with a hose. I think you should definitely remove the bottom base and fix it. I don't know if something's wrong with the disposal that's causing the leak, or something's wrong with the dishwasher that's bringing in the water in there. Put this door back on. These cabinets are really dirty. Really dirty. I say clean them up and maybe, I don't know. They left some furniture inside the house that needs to be removed. Remove that, cover those holes. They left a lot of garbage inside that needs to be removed. This whole water heater looks tilted. You should definitely get that fixed because I know they're gonna mention something about that. You should also fix, it's broken. It has no cover. The garage is not opening. So that's something you gotta look into. Look at this hole. I would put a door stopper. Definitely steam clean the carpet. Door is filthy. Fix the closet door. Filthy. Adjust that. Remove this. Put a doorknob. This doesn't shut properly. Shower head. Look at this base and look at this one. See how it's lifting? I would say remove that and replace it. Ew, look at all this hair. Replace the seat, replace the vent. It is damaged and you need a filter. This door needs to be replaced. Clean. You need cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Need cleaning. I think this is the one that's ringing. Maybe replace the battery. Look at this paper. Stickers on the wall. These little stickers. That needs a cover. Remove that. Remove the blinds. Deep clean. You need a deep cleaning. The walls aren't the greatest, but I say don't paint. Look at this.